Hi everyone, I am here to share a card that I created for White Rose Crafts design team. And this is also an inspiration card for a card sketch challenge that we have going on right now over on the White Rose Crafts group. So I will leave the links to the group and the store in the description box below, and check out the inspiration challenge. There's going to be a prize, and it runs, I believe, for at least another week. So run on over and check that out. What I did with this card is an A2 size card, which most cards, that's what people make. I used the August subscription kit that you can get in the store, and right now this week all the add-ons for the kit are on sale, which are 10% off. So I used a couple of the papers, and I will have a picture of the sketch. You may have already seen it at the beginning of the video, which the sketch, I believe, is from Operation Home, I think is where it's from. So I layered on my craft color cardstock with some cream color cardstock and then some of the pattern paper. And then I used my oval spellbinder dies to cut out the ship that was on like one of the cut aparts from the paper, which the paper is from Peon Designs. And I believe it's called something from the sea. Of course, I am drawing a complete blank for that. It is Legends of the Sea. That is the name of the kit for August. I then layered some more cream colored cardstock with another piece of the pattern paper. Then I layered some of this raffia in this really pretty pale blue. And then I also put one of Melissa Francis embellishments, which is an add-on to the kit. And it's this little ship resin piece. And then I inked my buttons with Vintage Photo Distress ink, just to kind of tie in the colors of the kit. And then I also inked all the papers and even the little sailboat with the walnut stain. I was going to do the buttons in the walnut stain, but it actually was a little bit too dark. So I used the lighter Vintage Photo for it, and then I just inked everything with the walnut. And I don't have a sentiment on this card because with it being a masculine card, I'm not sure if I wanted a Father's Day sentiment or a happy birthday. So when I decide to use this card, I will then put the sentiment on there. So I have left a space for that. And of course the inside is just plain, which I will put some cream colored cardstock on the inside once I decide how I'm going to give this card. So that is my card. I want to thank everybody for stopping and commenting. Please check out Wild Rose Crafts store. Like I said, I will have all the links in the description box below. And have a great day.